Welcome back to the series of videos highlighting some of the important Excel features. I'm Kathy Barker, Software Solutions, and now I want to look at undo and save. Something we've become very used to in all Microsoft applications is the ability to undo, and Excel is no exception. You are entitled to 100 levels of undo, so when things go wrong, it's not necessarily a good idea to try and fix it because you may actually make it worse. If something goes wrong, simply hit your undo button on your quick access toolbar, and when I rest on it, it does mention the shortcut key is Control Z. So I can undo, 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 and keep undoing until you're back to a happy place. Technically 100 levels of undo. If you undo too far, you can redo what you undid, which is Control Y if you're looking for a shortcut key. So I can redo what I undid and then undo again. But sometimes you may have encountered the situation where you didn't get 100 levels of undo. In fact, you're lucky if you've got one. And so the reason for that, to shed some light onto that situation, is that Excel also has an autosave. And the autosave, if I check under File and Options, kicks in every 10 minutes. So I'll go to Save here. This particular option here that's ticked and says 10 minutes basically says every 10 minutes of solid work, Excel will save your file. And what that effectively does is then reset your undos back to 0. And so that's why you don't always get your 100 undos. So if you're in a situation where you think, oh my gosh, I really have mucked up the spreadsheet and I don't have enough undos to get me out of it, your first reaction should go and look at your autosaves, and you'll find those under File and under Info. This is the same for Word. So this is telling me that it did an autosave at 1:12. That was the last one. The last one's always at the top of the list. And then before that, it did another autosave at 12:52. Some people will say to me, but that's more than 10 minutes. Yes, it is more than 10 minutes, but during that time I did a lot of talking. So even though that is a total of 20 minutes, there is 10 minutes of work in that 20 minutes. All right, so if I thought, oh, maybe I'll open this one, you just click it, and it will open the file as it was at 1:12. It's at that point you think, oh no, that's not, I'd mucked it up before then. So I can close this file and I can try and open the other autosave. Go to File, go to Info, and get the other one at 12:52. Here's the one at 12:52. At this point you might think, I want to keep this. You've got the ability to restore it, but I'd probably just go Save As, and I'd save this autosave as a copy I wanted to keep. So just be aware of that, and that's the same process in Word and the autosave feature. Come back for the next video.